Right, so we finished dinner, we paid up, and Prince asked if there's a chance I could film the process of the chicken, the barbecue, and the process of the cooking. This is like the way how I'll show the kitchen in a bit. But here is the grill, and they're making some burgers, and the chicken is pre-cooked already, but then, like, you know, to speed up the process, they put in like on the grill.
It's all roasted chicken, and that's a piece of mutton.
Yeah.
The mashed meat of mutton, and they make it in this form and then grill it.
So Prince is talking about this one there. That's the mutton. That's the chicken. And what is he putting there? Is that oil? Is it? That looks like oil. And that's the chef. What a face! What a character! I love it. And that's pretty much like where you get like these kind of restaurants here in India. I've seen them already a lot. I'll just show like a little bit inside the kitchen here. We're invading. When you have a camera, you can invade any place. It's amazing. You know? And this is like the back.
Yeah, that's the
process
for dry things, and this is for all the curries out there.
Yeah, and there is like the hello. And there is like the sauce. I think this is what we ate?
Yeah.
Or this is it?
The same curry, they make like different combinations here, and then as per the requirement they give it.
Yeah.
That's the fish going in.
And this is the chicken.
Fish.
Fish. This is fish, okay. Oh, fish tikka. Oh, that looks amazing, bro. So let's follow him actually and put it on the grill there. And straight on the grill, barbecue, fish barbecue. It's like it's amazing, you know. And it's actually quite clean, the place. We look at these things. Well, Prince doesn't really care because like his stomach is strong enough. But I need to look around. And they have like the fried fish over there, and that's the wok there. But nobody is ordering any fried fish. Mainly is the grill.
The best part is everything is so upfront. The best part is everything is so upfront and outside that
it's everything visible.
Everything, it's so minimalistic setup they are having, but out of this they are having a good big menu.
Yeah.
They are serving.
And this is all the magic spices that you get to see in the bazaars. Oh my God, the colors are incredible. I love it.
And don't miss this chutney. This plays a big role. This onion and chutney, the mixture of these.
So this is they put that on our plate as well. The mixture of this is onions, and this is the mint sauce, right?
Yeah, mint. So it has like a lot of spices in it. Not exactly the mint. Mint is like much more sweeter and more lighter in color, light green. This has like all other spices as well, like garlic and ginger and mint leaves and all of that.
I see. And she is like the master chef. Hello. How are you? What's your name? What's your name? Shira. Shira? Beautiful name. And you are beautiful too. This is so cute. High five. Acha. Oh, such a cutie. Anyway, this is the tour in the restaurant. The meal was incredible. It was really amazing. Are we leaving? We're leaving.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Oh, the name of the restaurant? Let's give them a plug in the channel. Let's do it right. Let's do it right. The name of the restaurant is Bira Chicken House, Amritsar Fish Tikka. And there's their phone number as well. That's how it looks from outside.